Hello there, welcome back to this problem. Let's take a look here with some dimension. We have the height of the point to be 88.4, and that is how I'm going to do it since we can see that these are symmetrical. So I'm going to use the mirror option at the very end to do it. So the first thing I would do, I'm going to go to my center line. I'm going to construct me uh, an 88.4 segment. That will be my center line. And then I'm going to concentrate on all of this number, 30 and 40, and then even 38. So let me see where I'm going to start. I see that I have this 38 here, so half of 38 will be 19. So I'm going to go into here. Just going to construct 19 this way. And then I'm going to go down 24. Then I will close that shape. Okay. Hit escape, and then I can see that I have 50. So that means that mean I have 19. Now 50 is 25, right? So half of 50 is 25, and I got 19. So 25 minus 19, that's 6. So I'm going to do 6 more, and I'm going to go down 30. Okay. I'm just going to go ahead and close the shape there, and then we're going to worry about trimming this in a second. All right, let's come down here. We got 30. So I'm going to offset this right here, 15 to the right. Offset that 15. And then I have this 40. That means I'm going to offset it 20. I'm going to offset those 20. And then I can go ahead now convert this into the construction layer. Then I can also trim. I know we don't need this or that. And this will be gone. All right. Let me see. I got 30 at the things there. I got this coming in. So let me go back one more. I'm going to go ahead and not trim. I'm going to trim this and that right there. That will be my trim. And also I think I'm going to trim this one as well. All right. Let's go now to the bottom, and we're going to work on this 36 here. So let me see. I have a 3 down here. So I'm going to go ahead and offset that up 3. Okay. So let's go do this one first. What is half of 36? 18. All right. And after I do 18, I'm going to do 27. After 27, I'm going to go up 14.2. Then I have a 6.3. Then I have a 12.5. And then I'm going to go ahead and just connect that to the shape there. Okay. At the 6.3 here, at the 6.3, let me track that in. I'm going to go ahead and connect those. And then this is the 12.5. So at the end of the 12.5, I can also do this actually. I'm going to do offset 12.5. And then voila. Okay. That will be that section over there. And now I have this 3 right here. I'm going to go ahead and offset 3 units up. Okay. Zoom in right here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to trim that right there. Then I'm going to connect this to that endpoint there. All right. Remember that we have a 36, which is 18. That right there is that location. And then I will trim out this little section here need to be trimmed. Okay. So let's see. We have those. And then that means I'm going to go also trim this out because we don't need that. This is all connected in a second. All right. So it looked like that would be it for us. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to hatch. Okay. And I will select this. Then I'll hatch that and that. Right, those are the hatch, and the hatch are different. Now later on in another video, I will show you guys how to do the hatch and all that. But right now, we're just gonna stay with that, and we can change that a little bit there to make it lighter. All right, I'm gonna close hatch. So the hatch look like this. What I'm gonna do now will be, let me see. All I have to do is mirror. So I'm gonna click on mirror, and I'm gonna select all of this. I'll hit enter and I'll click that there. I'm gonna go ahead and say no, I don't want to erase anything. And voila, I have the part. Now there's one thing I'm going to do with this. Give me a second. I'm gonna offset it 3 units and I already have it up and this down. I'm gonna go ahead and extend my center line a little bit right there, and I'm gonna get rid of those. Okay, so this problem right here is completed. All you have to do is make sure you take out your dimension and you should be done. All right, just this should be 36 here, right there. And then you can see, oh, I see that we also have a 3 right here and 3 right there. You could do that. You could draw stuff and then chamfer it, but all right, whatever. There it is. All right, this problem is finished, done, complete. Enjoy.